the gardens have souls, so we're basically adding a little soul to this garden. The hard landscaping was done previously, and it's a little soulless. So we are basically dressing up the McGibbon garden a bit of soul. So we're taking out some of the porcelain paving, replacing it with some planting, adding some planters, doing some modifications to the steps, some big planters we're putting around various areas, and we're doing some screens. So it's basically softening out the hard landscaping and making it a prettier environment. As you can see, as it runs across, it's nice, but there's something missing. And we're going to be adding that missing element, which we're calling soul. Correctly or incorrectly. What are your thoughts? Do gardens have souls?